What's going on, Pure Shark Traders and YouTube, and welcome back for another trading video with us. In today's video, we're going to be going over futures contracts and how to roll them over and what that means exactly. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So rolling over futures contracts, what does that mean exactly? So futures contracts all usually have expiration dates. Now some traders like to hold positions till the actual contract expires, or usually maybe like a week or two before the expiration date. And then there are traders who like to be in and out and don't necessarily hold the positions that long. So basically you're going to be trading that contract up until the expiration time frame, and then you're going to be moving over to the next contract. Now if you want to learn a little bit more about this, or you want some information on it, you can easily just go on to cmegroup.com and you can bring that up. Let me go ahead and bring that up for you guys so you can see and understand. So if you go on to cmegroup.com, you can see markets, data, services, insights, education. You can get some information here. You can also just go on to markets. You can look for, let's just say, ES or E-mini S&P 500. Click on that here, and then you'll see that it pops you up to the next page here. And you can get some information. You can go on to overview, what it basically is, quotes, settlements, volume, time and sales, specs, margins, calendars. This will give you a breakdown of what S&P 500 is, how you can roll over contracts, when they'll have their specific expiration dates, time frames, right? So you'll get a lot of information from this website specifically if you guys want to learn a little bit more. But in our video, we're just going to be showing you guys how to roll over these contracts using Sierra charts. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look. So if you are on Sierra charts, I'm going to go ahead and pop up one of the main pages here. So if I pop this up for you guys, if you're on Sierra charts, you can easily just go here into file, and I'll show you how we do it. So basically go into file, and you can go into what they call a quote board. If you don't have a quote board, you're going to see once you click on file, you can drop down right here to new quote board. And right there you're gonna see, once you click on new quote board, it will pop up something that looks like this. Now I usually switch over or roll over my contracts based off of volume. So if you have a new quote board here, what you can easily do is just go onto symbols. So right here, the far right, symbols, click that. You can add a symbol basically. Once you click on here, you're gonna find the symbol that you want. Now it's gonna pop up a lot of different symbols. We're trading futures specifically, right? And CME, right? So we're gonna look for futures dash CME, or Chicago Mercantile Exchange. All right, we're gonna click on this little plus sign here to drop it down. And we're just going to go over simple one, S&P 500. So you're going to look for E-mini S&P 500. If you like to trade the micros, you can scroll a little bit lower and you can see micro E-mini S&P 500. But we're just going to stick to the E-mini S&P 500 to make it simpler for you guys today. Once you find that, you're going to just go ahead and drop that down one more time. And you're going to go ahead and look for not the expired one. You can see December 2022, March 2023, those are expired, but you're going to look for a more current one. Right here we're going to look at June 2023. That's kind of where we're in right now for the contract. So you can click that. Once you click that, you're just going to go ahead and click OK. And we're going to add another one here so you guys can see the difference. We're going to find a symbol, same exact thing, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, look for September, our next contract. Once the June contract expires, we're going to be looking to trade up until September, so September 2023, and we're going to go ahead and click OK for that one too. Once we find those two, I'm just going to go ahead and close this box, and it pops up all this information here. Now what I like to look for here is volume. Now you can see the June contract that we're currently trading has 74,665 in terms of volume. So if we're going to look to trade September, we're going to look for the volume specifically to be more on the September contract than the June contract, right? Once we see that happen, then we're going to go ahead and switch over or roll over the contract, right? So again, for those traders who like to hold the positions to the expiration date, for the contract we're currently trading, it's going to expire in June, so they're going to be holding their positions up until maybe a week or two before the June expiration. Or they could be like us, where we like to see more volume, and they can close it out once they see more volume on the September contract versus the June contract that we're currently trading, right? For those who are like us, where we don't necessarily hold it, or at least for me, I don't necessarily hold it the whole expiration time frame. I'm kind of just in and out of positions. I'm gonna go ahead and just roll it over once I see more volume on the September contract versus the June contract, right? So fairly simple to do that on Sierra charts. Again, if you want a little bit more information, pretty simple. You're just gonna go ahead and type in cmegroup.com, and it will go ahead and pull up the website for you guys. And up at the top here, you're gonna look for markets and look for the specific market that you're currently trying to trade. Ours is going to be E-mini S&P 500, and it will give you all the information that you're looking for. It's very good information if you want some knowledge on it and what it is exactly, what futures contracts are. Again, you can see if we scroll down, futures and benefits, leading liquidity, central marketplace, flexibility, margins, savings, safety and security, futures leverage, how it all kind of works. If you want that information, you're going to find a lot of it here. When it opens, when it closes, right? Time frames on when you can be trading, what the contracts are, right? So a lot of information. Definitely go ahead and check that out if you guys want a little bit more information on what futures and futures contracts hold. All right, guys, well, that wraps it up for our video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys do, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. You guys take care. Have a great night.